Chongqing Zhengshan Stainless Steel Products Company Limited is located in Chongqing, with years of experience in metal materials industry. Cooperated with world's top 100 companies for long term, which has earned a quality reputation. We also have our own goods in stock warehouse with 3,200 square meters. Our associate factory, located at Shandong, which specializes in producing reliable quality welded pipes, seamless pipes, galvanized pipes, spiral pipes, large diameter thick-walled coiled pipes, steel sheets, and other custom-made various precision metal products with an annual output of 200,000 tons. We are globally focused on supplying metal equipment to the industrial, chemical, petroleum, mining, marine, railway, aerospace, construction, auto parts, power, environmental protection, textile and pharmaceutical industries, and are favored by customers both at home and abroad. We have high experience in creating innovative supply chain solutions tailored to the above core industries. We provide industry-quality products and stable factory sources. We stand out with our ex-factory wholesale prices. The company adheres to the enterprise spirit of integrity, pragmatism, efficiency, and supply. We abide by the business philosophy of establishing our business with integrity, surviving on quality, and developing with brand, and are dedicated to serving our customers. Chongqing Zhengshan will work hand in hand with customers to develop cooperation and promote comprehensive cooperation between industrial and trade enterprises and enter the international market.